Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate BritBox on Google TV. Quick guide step by step clearly. To activate BritBox on your Google TV, start by turning on your device. Navigate to the Google Play Store from your home screen. In the search bar, type BritBox and select the application from the results. Click on the Install button to download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the BritBox app. You will be greeted with the welcome screen. Select Sign in if you already have an account, or Start Free Trial if you're a new user. If you chose to sign in, enter your email address and password. For new users, follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. Once logged in, you will receive a prompt to activate your device. Take note of the activation code displayed on your screen. Now, using a separate device, open a web browser. Visit the BritBox activation website mentioned on your screen. Enter the activation code in the designated box on the website. Click Activate to link your account to your Google TV. Once the activation is successful, return to your Google TV. You may need to refresh the BritBox app for the changes to take effect. Now you can start browsing and watching your favorite shows on BritBox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.